My nephew, I want to talk to you. I want to give you a brief history lesson. This weekend, we celebrate Family Day in the land of Canada, but I want to talk to you about the land of Wakanda. In Wakanda, the black man and the black woman are free. They are fighters, they are warriors, they are educators. The technology in Wakanda surpasses the technology in the world. If you can think it, they pass it. In Wakanda, the women are strong. They are fast. My nephew, if you find a Wakandan woman, listen to her. I warn you. In Wakanda, the air is sweet and moisturized. Unlike here, your skin will not dry. No ash.
Oh, is that why your face is so shiny?
Unfortunately, it is shea butter. Hey, stay on topic. In Wakanda, if you go to what they call barbecue, you don't have to worry if the chicken is seasoned or not, and no starvation.
Auntie Natalie, why are you talking like that?
Stupid questions, Colin. Go see the movie and research.
Oh, can we see the movie now?
Let us go. Wakanda forever!